Hello guys, today I'm going to give someone, I know what I'm going to bring to you guys. Anyway, this Kinder Joy, dude, it's actually Kinder Joy. Anyway, my, I live in Philippines and my province is Cavite, and in Cavite there is some places in Cavite. I'm in Carmona, here. My street is Marin Street. When you see a red car, that's me, okay? It says MG. Okay, the car brand is MG Red. Yeah, I officially live there in the Philippines. Yeah, that's why I speak Tagalog in my videos sometimes. So, yeah, guys, like and subscribe to get this. Subscribe to get this Kinder Joy. Anyway, go to my house. Yeah, this is my house. Anyway, it's going to get crowded in the comments. Like, I'm going to pick someone. Yeah, when you are not picked, don't be upset. Maybe in the next video you will be picked. Anyway, bye.